Welcome to Hack, where we build some things and then we experiment with others. You know the problem with these glow sticks? They're really inexpensive and incredibly easy to use. Why would you want to do that when you could spend hundreds of dollars, deal with a hazmat crew, almost poison yourself for seconds of glowy entertainment? What happens with these glow sticks is that two liquids combine in there, and then when you snap and shake it, it's sort of an industrial version of a firefly mating dance, and that's called chemoluminescence. That's actually the production of light from chemistry. So tonight, we're going to try to make our own glow sticks, because why should the glow stick industry fat cats have all the fun? All right, here's what you need. First, some distilled water, 50 milliliters of hydrogen peroxide, a funnel, because it's got the word fun in it. Then you're going to need some luminol, which you may have lying around the house if you work on CSI or you're creepy. Also, some sodium carbonate. Then we have some copper sulfate pentahydrate, and of course, ammonium carbonate. Now, the hydrogen peroxide and the distilled water you can get at a drugstore. The other stuff, you got to dig around like a rat on the web and find it that way. All right, so first step, you're going to want to take half the water, a liter, denoted by the 1 and the L. Then you're going to want to pour in the hydrogen peroxide so you can dilute it. Join! Now, in the other bowl, we're going to dump the rest of the water. And the 4 grams of sodium carbonate, which helps all the other chemicals mix well together. Now we're going to put in the 0.4 grams of copper sulfate pentahydrate. Dump that in on your little squares of paper that you've made at home. This is going to help light up the luminol. You see, the luminol is looking to steal electrons from the metals. It's sort of like the copper in copper sulfate or the iron in a blood stain. Now, luminol can only dissolve in highly alkaline solutions because it's crazy like that. That's 11.8 pH, by the way. Note to self, do not drink this, do not touch this, do not throw in eyes or pour on children. Now, when you see a lot of teenagers out at parties or wherever, you know, they put the glow sticks in their mouth, that's really dangerous. When you have the urge to do that, take that out of your mouth and replace it with the pacifier that's hanging from around your neck. All right, so now we dump in the 0.2 grams of luminol, and here we are with a fully prepped solution, just waiting to glow. We'll stir this up. And, of course, the final ingredient to this glow party is the ammonium carbonate. That in there. So that's all mixed in and sexy. So next we go back to the hydrogen peroxide solution. Fill that halfway up. We're going to want equal parts. And then back to our luminol solution. All right. Next, we mix these bad boys together in one. And you have the glow! 300 years ago, you would have been burned as a witch for doing this, but right here, we scoff at it here on Wired Science. See, the hydrogen peroxide replaces 2 of the luminol's nitrogen atoms with oxygen, producing a bunch of electrons so excited they just kick out a blast of photons. Now, what you're going to be left with is sort of a urine sample looking thing. It doesn't glow for very long because the industrial strength glow sticks actually have chemicals in there that are secret, and they're also airtight, so the reaction is going to last longer. So I would say if you're a chemist on your way to a rave or you want to make a Tron battlesuit, this is probably not the solution for you. So that's it. We hacked a glow stick. Glow it up, Glowy.